So when we're talking about spices, most people have this preconceived notion of Indian food being very high on sodium. Are the curries make you feel a little bloated. Uh, but asal baat ye hai कि that's just a misconception because our spices are used in our curries for a certain reason. If you're using asafoetida in our dal, it's because it helps you with anti-bloating. It also works as an antacid. There's jeera that does the same trick. There's turmeric that has been wanted to, that people wanted to patent in the West till India took its stand because the West has discovered turmeric in a way that even we don't value it. So it's actually, they've realized that it can actually cure cancer, curcumin in turmeric. The beauty of Indian food is that everything is cooked from scratch and it's fresh, So we need to value that. And it's not difficult to lose weight. I know at the end of the day, everybody wants to lose weight. Jab gana hota hai, 3 days before a song, you have to wear a ghagra choli and your waist has to look in shape. So whatever you've done before that, you want to forget. So you start having stuff that is going to be anti-bloating. Asparagus ka soup pee liya because it works as a diuretic. And I've done stuff like that, and those things have worked. So with time and with experience, you realize with doing stuff, what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and what can commonly work, for other people. Like something like a ginger lemon honey with jaggery, if not honey. Some people are allergic to honey. Works brilliantly for a cold. And if you put a bit of black pepper with warm water, it's just something that will work. And it's all Indian. So, yeah, and then even nimbu pani, as a coolant. So those are all very simple things. Ghee को कैसे बनाया जाता है? ये मैंने बोला है बुक में, लिखा है मैंने बुक में. ये सदियों से चलता आ रहा है मेरे फैमिली में तो और इतना सिंपल है. So I've tried to use those things in my life and I've put it in my book and I've used it all throughout my career and my life. And my favorite Indian food, I love my Mangalorean fish curry rice and I love kori roti. But now I've turned slight fishitarian. I've given up chicken, so yeah, it's very hard.